Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at how you can create a checklist to be used in your classroom or wherever it may be. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you how quickly this can be done. We're going to go into Google Stopwatch and get started. First thing, I like going into File, Page Setup, and then I want to change the left column to a 10th and my right column to a 10th. Of course, you can use whatever you like, but I like having a little more room. Now I'm going to click in the header and I'm going to go into Options, Header Format. I'm also going to change that to a 10th. And select apply. And now I'm going to type in name and then date. Now, in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert a table. And it's going to be, let's just say 4 by 4. Now, I want this first one to be a little bit larger than the ones on the right. So I'm going to right click and then I'm going to select table properties. I like my column width here to be, let's just say 5 inches. So if I do that, you can see how large it is. Of course, you can play with that, whatever it is, it works for you. I'm also going to highlight all these and I'm going to center them. Over here, what I'd like to do in this one though is I'd like to insert a row above. So I'm just going to right click, row above. I do not want this part to be seen, so I'm just going to click on this line and then the border, I'm going to make it white. And then again, right over here, I'm going to change the border color to be white. So in here, I'm just going to type in yes, no, and maybe. In here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert some checkboxes. So you can just go ahead and highlight and then come right up in here and you can Control-Shift-9 or go ahead and do that. Of course, you can go ahead and get started, type some items in here, and then it can be filled in with yes, no, maybe, so on and so forth. Just a reminder, both can be used. If you do more than one, you can have 2 checks or 3 checks if you really wanted to. So just to point that out. You can see it was done in about 1:45. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.